Look how beautiful is this bird. I don't want to scare her, but she hid, you know. She was here close. She hid in the plants, yeah. So I don't see her. I understand she is afraid of me. She should. We are not so friendly, you know. I can be a good guy, I can be a bad guy, she don't know. So she have to hide. Because humans have destroyed this fucking habitat. And yeah. They said, look, the pollution, yeah. And the bird here in the middle of the fucking shit. You know. This is a territory, should be of the bird. But Denmark don't provide with this. Denmark destroy everything. For the money. For build houses and shit. Yeah, it's life. This beautiful bird have to lose his house, his habitat. Makes me feel sad, you know. To see the bird in the middle of this fucking shit. Made me feel sad a lot. What can I do? I can show to the world, you know. That's all I can do.